Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about spring mix, and I have a list of specific tips and ideas to help you out if you're using spring mix and you're looking for something a little different to do, maybe some recipe ideas, and you just haven't used it that much, you're not that familiar with it. So hopefully this will help you out. Now this list is kind of long, so I did break it up into two parts. This is the part 1 video. To see the part 2 video, I'll have a link to that in the description box below. Check them both out when you can so you get the whole list. Spring mix can be used alone or mixed with other greens for a great salad. Spring mix is a combination of assorted baby leaves, and they're very lightweight and very tender. So if you're using only spring mix in a leafy green salad, use a lightweight type of dressing and other ingredients to go with it, because the tender greens don't hold up well if they've piled on with a lot of heavy ingredients. They're just going to mat down. So lightweight stuff to go on top of it, mix with it, and that will help. When you're using a spring mix in a salad, you want to add your salad dressing right before you're ready to serve it, not well in advance. Those leaves, again, are very lightweight and very tender, and they will soak up the salad dressing over time, and they'll get kind of wilted. So that will happen if you do that in advance. So the best way to avoid that is just to add your salad dressing right before you're ready to eat it, and you're good to go. And with all that in mind about the fact that their leaves are light and tender, it's helpful if you're going to have a green salad to bear that in mind, that they are lightweight and tender, and limit the amount of toppings that you're going to put on top of the spring mix, because if you load them up with a whole lot of toppings, you're going to have a little green mat on the bottom of your bowl, and you want it to be light and fluffy. It's more appealing that way. You could use spring mix as a bed for fresh or grilled fruits and other vegetables. The grilled vegetables on it sound really good to me. Toss your spring mix with a balsamic vinaigrette dressing and top it with fresh sliced strawberries, walnuts, and an ounce of goat cheese. Try tossing your spring mix with some walnuts and cranberries, dried cranberries, and use a sweet balsamic vinaigrette dressing to go on top of that. Top it with some cheese of your choice. You've got a good salad. How about mixing your spring mix with some olives, feta cheese, pepperoncini, and cucumbers in a bowl. Add a little olive oil and lemon juice, and toss it gently. Add some salt and pepper to taste if you want, and you've got a nice salad. This concludes part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, and let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Bye for now.